Hi there, can you introduce yourself?
Hi, my name's Nina Burras.
Nina, explain to me about what Missing Chopper is all about.
Missing Chopper is a sign making business that I have. I got the name because I worked in Ibiza in 2006, 7 and 8. I had a little chopper, you know, the rally ones with the gears in the middle, and it went missing, so I made missing posters for it. And from the posters, people thought I was a sign writer, so I got a few sign writing jobs, and it kind of went on from there. So that's how I fell into the sign writing career.
And obviously, Missing Chopper is now 5 years old.
Yeah.
So obviously, there's a little bit of a gap between when it went missing and.
Yeah.
So
from there, I did a lot of travelling. I moved to Australia. I studied fashion design in Australia actually for a couple of years. And when I came back from Australia, I moved to London. And found it so difficult in the fashion industry that I fell back into a sign job, which I loved. I loved the job, but I just fell out of love with London and I just needed to be back by the sea. So that was 5 years ago, moved back to Hayling Island and started up Missing Chopper then.
And tell me what's the love of it? You know, what gives you the buzz of doing this?
Oh, I love being creative every day and doing something different every day. And just being creative and doing something I love.
And tell me why people love these light signs so much.
I think they love having something a bit different in their house and having their input in it so much. Like they can choose a completely different design or colour, and they have a bit of them in the light. So yeah, doing bespoke work I think is what people love.